Hey guys, so even though this day is a little too rough, but still, I was getting a bit too weakening and trying to have some bad relative parts of my life. It was even occurring some deep bad decisions. I'm not rearranging them, ever. But at least we got Maggie here. She's gonna help me out with the lessons today. Right? And then lesson 1 through 10 is Shield Trap. Okay, so let's get started. Let's get ready to get this over with. Alright. Nope. I don't want ads to be showing. Alright, let's start with the first lesson. Ready me to accomplish this? Yes. Good. Here we go. Just terrible. Okay, so even though I just start with the basics, all that, now I just redefine stuff over and over again, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's the worst possible outcome. It's my little institution. Now, let's start with lesson 2. Okay, that was perfect. At least, okay. I wasn't even naturally being more inspired, by the way. But that's consecutively a personalized resolution. However, I don't realize how I need to stop with this bad weaknesses. Trust me, I don't qualify it, but still. I'm glad I understand your part of your dedication better. Yeah. That sounds awesome. Okay, let's move on to lesson 3. Here we go. Finish this, then we'll move on to some more songs this week. Right? Yes. Okay. Nope. Oh, I really hate ads. Stop interrupting me. Dang it. Okay, lesson 4. Love that rhythm of this chord. So nice. Going slow though. Alright, I'm doing it way too easy. Honest kids? Super fruit punch organic apple juice. I love that type of juice product. The juice product, but it's not supposed to be showing. Okay, lesson 5, here we go. Notice how I required stuff over and over again towards have this proper dimension?
Yes, I agree with that, probably.
I was assembled how I just need to have proper distribution. Not really. Not only that. Need to have proper limitation, not having a high risk of how you just agree with that. You need to have good agreement, y'all. That's considered my final touch of the whole entire distribution.
I don't get it. Why would you even think about how I assembled you? But you don't rely on that. But you have to maintain some respectful constitution.
Yeah, I get it. Okay. We need to finish this. We need to stay focused on track. And not only how I can conquer this. But stop talking already. Now let's go to lesson 6. Okay.
The Chevy Equinox doesn't miss a beat. With dependability for the mile.
I'm scared of the dark, y'all. What am I doing? Oh my.
Can you please help me? I got you. I'm right here. Don't be afraid.
Oh my god. Oh. You got me freaked out in the head. All I have to do is redirect my entire comparability. Compromise that. Not just institute my bad language like I always do. Yeah. All you have to do is do it insistently. Oh, I stink. I need to take a daggum shower, y'all. Stop freaking peer pressuring me all the time. So here we go. Lesson 7. yesterday we did concrete jungle, and we're actually just symbolizing that. Symbolizing the pressure. Not just be too depressed.
No, I don't want that to happen.
Yeah. Okay, lesson 8. Alright. Oh my god. No. I'm not looking at stuff at Walmart.
Please.
Okay, but we have to finish this after we even get this over with. I'm so difficult. Redefined. God damn it. I don't know what to say. Shh. Got to be very quiet.
Okay, lesson 9.
Very embarrassed, actually. I want to show you guys this iPad that I got. Unless it has a beautiful pink unique case to it. At least I got the iPad one. This is an Apple iPad. That is definitely cost like a lot of money, including the total price. You probably shouldn't even have to afford some of your assembled items to display. Okay, lesson 10. Okay. Alright, we're finished for now. Nice, I'm so thrilled and happy. Oh my god. Okay. Tomorrow we'll do. So, tomorrow we'll do dubstep machine. Or dubstep substance on Monday. Afro House, Euphoria, Genu Trap Wednesday and Thursday. Well, okay. Dubstep Machine is on Sunday. Dubstep Stubstance is on, okay, Monday. Sorry. I just got the days all mixed up. Okay. Actually, even requiring some dedication in order to go to Walmart. So, I don't have time for you to start begging me to even get stuff from Walmart. No. Alright, so, closing out the video. More songs coming soon, so I hope you guys know leave me a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what songs you think I should do on Groovepad next. Bye!